Annual show. This is my first time here, but it's a very, very exciting time. My name's Todd, and I'm with Rimac of Naples. I came all the way from Florida, but we do have a surprise guest that came from Croatia. Welcome, everybody. Mata Rimac, the founder of the brand. Woo! So today, everybody's witnessing some history. We have two Rimac Neveras here. These are the second and third deliveries in the United States and the fourth and fifth in the world. So it's a very exciting day. It's actually history in the making. We want to thank the man here. We want to thank our clients as well. The first car we're going to unveil belongs to the Ash Crest Collection, I remember. So we'd like to take the cover off of this one.
Oh my God.
This color is Stratus Blue and tinted blue carbon fiber.
Ooh, that interior is beautiful. Beautiful interior, man. Look at the color on it. Cream interior with the gold Rimac logo. That's beautiful.
People are car guys, but people like us love cars, and that we can have fun and do crazy stuff even when there is no more combustion engines in the midterm future. So without teasing it further, here we have a triple F collection, Nevera.
Oh, that's a nice blue.
I'm seeing it there. Oh, shit. We're not moving. There is no way.